Oh, it's the Hood Chef on that Bossa. Ooh, he popping. Let's get it popping. The fry is on, man. Look at that golden brown crisp up on that thing. This is what you want it to be like. No batter, no flour, no cornmeal. Just all natural with a little bit of seasoning on him and a little bit of steam. Yeah, it's the Hood Chef. Oh yes, it's the Hood Chef on that Bossa filet. Looking real greasy today. You feel me? Real greasy up in this rain. Look at the fry on that thing. Now come over here to my handy dandies. This the handy dandy right here. You flip him. You get up in that thing like this. And yalala. Ooh wee. Look at the egg on there now. Look at the little yolk coming out there. Y'all looking at it fresh here today, man. Never done. At least not by me. It's the egg Bossa filet this morning on the bun. Get at me, man. It's the Hood Chef. Fly me in. I'll come cook for you. You know what I mean? I might even bust a few tunes at the show. Hello. Oh yes, it's the Hood Chef at his best.